Okay, we have 1 minute left. Gotta make it worth it. Gotta make it worth it. It says charge the battery pack. It just flashed a message. So that's pretty extreme, right? It's pretty extreme. Judson says, his name's Judson, by the way. Judd. Judd. J-U-D. Son. S-O-N. Isn't that a cool name? That's a Southern boy name. Anyway. It sounds biblical, but it's not. But he said that he smells like cats just because he hung out here. Look at this! Look what I did. Isn't that beautiful? Really adds to the aesthetic in this motherfucker. But, yeah. Said I gotta do something about the litter box, because, yeah, it stinks like a motherfucker. I'm like, yeah.